can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark.
Are you getting Joe today? I'm Joe Mommy because you're driving. And yeah, we're going for a picnic out in the wilderness.
Good morning.
I've already done the intro.
Well, I'm just doing one in case yours is rubbish.
Probably.
So today we are at the Hogmoor Inclosure. It's about 40 minutes drive from us, and it's like a nature reserve and
Look what number I got to.
play area and cafe.
Play area?
Yeah, it's got a big wooden play area bit, and it says natural play area. So we've never been here before. It's taken us a little while to find it. It's literally, the car park is through like a cement works place. Postcode that I got was completely wrong, but we found it in the end. So we're going to go explore. We're going to have a bit of lunch in the cafe. So we should see what it's like. Never been here before, have we? Get on it then. Mace, jump on it. That's it. It'd be good to ride a mountain bike through here. Come on. We've come away from the playground a bit. We're exploring the woods a little bit.
What is that?
It's rubbish, mate.
Why is that rubbish?
So this is an old army training ground, apparently.
I want to see the grass.
Playground up there. We're going to go in the cafe in a bit.
Aren't they balls? Are they balls? Or something? I forgot the name of it. Oh my
Yeah.
God, look at that.
Mason just wants to find a wild boar.
Mummy said they come out at night. I'm looking for rocks. Why don't I put my feet in there?
What's this up here?
Rocks.
Oh, look, Mace.
Why, as you can
There's
see,
a statue.
it's the Statue of Liberty. Like, oh, yeah, it's an off-brand.
Cool.
It's an off-brand version
How cool is this?
of people. Look at all those roots.
Yeah. It's cool, isn't it?
Why is this place in sand?
This would be a nice place for a picnic.
Found a rock.
We found a clearing, and it's got these statues in it. There's one up on the hill there.
I only got two. You saw a big spider.
we just saw a big spider.
I don't want to be here no more.
We've had a little walk, and we're going to head to the cafe now, aren't we? Also called Wild Boar.
Whoa. Why is that going to look like a pig?
Oh look, the Roman Legion Gate,
Oh, Roman.
Railway Gate. That's cool, isn't it? Tank bollard.
Where's the tanks? Where's the tanks?
So this is the cafe, and we're going to head in. They've got toilets, free toilets, family room, and also the parking is free. Come on then, mate.
We're getting back.
Mason's got a sausage and bacon. Bat not good enough? Oh.
Back flying away.
What's it like? Good? She's in a bit slow motion. Yeah. Jump then. And I'll slow it down then. Come on.
I know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I
Put your legs into it.
One step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready. Yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop. The first time that you stood me up, I wasn't ready.